just for me. Make without devotion. Welcome to my live stream. I just want to stream for like some second. Hey, Modesta's lifestyle. Wow, Modest. Welcome to my. I just want to stream for some like, let's say 30 minutes. Let me just motivate myself and those people that feel that they want to be motivated. Because me, I'm getting tired honestly. So I just want to motivate myself. Now wow. N'elu oshimiri. Hey! No be party no. My love, how far? Hey, welcome guys. Welcome. Let's motivate ourselves. Oh. At a point in your life, you feel that, my God, you just need to give up. Just give up on everything. Let's just motivate ourselves today. How to stay motivated. Oh, are you not at work? Ha! This one you rush this stream like this. Hey! Welcome guys, welcome. Let me just motivate myself a little bit before leaving here. Welcome. Hi guys. How is everyone? Are you guys hearing me at all? Livingstone. Abakaliki is fine. Oh, Abakaliki is fine. Anything for mine. Wow, Dara. Wow. But let me stay for some minutes. Thank you for coming. I just want us to motivate ourselves. Wow. Thanks, Dara. Once in a while now, let us look like that. Just to motivate ourselves, motivate our families. Stay motivated. Because without that motivation, nothing will work in this life. We just need to motivate ourselves when it's not working. We need it. Modesta, how is life with you in Doha? Did I pronounce it well? There are high Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt fish. I want to eat fish. Oh. Welcome to my live stream. Life is tough in Doha. Me that I'm planning to relocate and come and join you. The way you are showing those places, eh? Hey. She's taking already. Okay, you are back to Owerri. Wow. Hey, yeah. I thought you would stay long in Port Harcourt too. Easy. Livingstone. You said you are from Easy. I am a boy state, Easy to be precise. I'm watching from Germany. Wow. See my Spencer. Oh. I just want to motivate myself before running out. I want to go to work, but let me just motivate myself a little bit. I'm just getting weak. I don't know. Let me motivate myself. How are we all doing? See Henry. Henry is here. Big bro. How far now? I'm so happy that you guys joined me, honestly. I'm so happy. Welcome, guys. Staying motivated. How do we stay motivated? The type of motivation, the way we need to stay the type of motivation we need, the most important motivation in this our world today is our self-motivation. The one you give yourself, not even the one people give you. Because if you don't motivate yourself, the one somebody is going to give you sometimes It might look like the person is just telling you stories. Until you motivate yourself, you can't be motivated. Make I send my account number for the giveaway. Do you have kata? Yes, I'm not feeling fine. You observe. My God, you're so observant. As in, you sense almost everything. I'm not feeling too well. I've not been feeling too well. In fact, that's why I'm a little bit weak in uploading anything. I just told myself that my channel has been, as in, nobody, in fact it has been will I say, without content since for close to a week. That's why I just decided to do this live. I've been having catarrh. It's giving me headache, making me weak, though I've started treatments anyway. But actually having catarrh. So guys, please, as you're coming in, thumbs up the stream for me if you haven't. Let me just stay a little bit, motivate myself, so that tomorrow I'm going to be putting down, as in, I have a lot of contents I've not edited, so tomorrow I'll just upload one. Oh my God. Vitus, welcome. Yes, funny but true. The best motivation we need is just self motivation. Doing something you enjoy, motivating yourself, telling yourself is well, no matter what, is well, you're going to get there. Telling yourself, I will get there. If you don't tell yourself, anyone, somebody is telling you, you're not going to do anything with it. It's not going to make any meaningful thing. So let me just motivate myself today. So that by tomorrow I will see if I can do vlogmas with them. I don't know where their energy for vlogmas is coming from. This Christmas period, I'm not feeling too well for vlogmas at all. I'm not feeling too well. So I really appreciate those that join me. God bless you guys. God bless you. God bless you. So, all right. Black Spencer, how are you able to sense everything? You sense kata, you sense sounds, you sense almost everything. AI is fine, no. Abakaliki is fine. I'm just preparing to go to work, so I say let me just do this short live because I'm on afternoon shift. I should be resuming, let's say, around 1, but I'm going to leave here around 12 so that I can arrange some things before I start my shift. So I just decided to do some things, at least to keep my channel busy a little bit. Oh, today is fine. Modesta, today is fine. I'm happy today. I'm better. I'm weak. Okay, you notice my voice changed. Okay. Oh my God, my voice. It has not really affected my voice, but you're right. It did a little bit. Mm. So you now know my voice on camera. Ah, ah. So how is life with you over there? How is life with all of you? How is life with you guys? So me, I'm not feeling fine. So see me here. Trying to just make reactivate my channel a little bit. Ah, for how many days now? As in, I've not uploaded any content. Ah, thank God for life. Thank God for life. Ah, life. Life is the most important thing that we need to motivate ourselves with. That's the word for motivation. Because if you look around you, some people are no longer here. Some people you started the year with, they are no longer here with you. Some people are sick. They are seriously sick, as in not just the way I'm feeling, I'm just having catarrh, as in some people are so sick, they're in the hospital, they're in the ward. As in yesterday when I came out in the morning, when I came out in the morning, because I was on morning shift yesterday, I went to the hospital. I saw a guy like that, as in he was so down. And the problem is not that he was even down, there is no money to even start treatment, as in start treatment immediately for him. Some people are not just sick, they can't even afford hospital bills. Some people can't even afford meal. Some people can't even afford to talk, just like I'm talking now. And the fact that you are alive, you're strong, you're healthy, is a thing to thank God with, is a thing to be motivated about. How do you motivate yourself? Self motivation is the best form of motivation. No any other motivation can work as perfect as the motivation you give to yourself. No any other motivation. You're going to make it in life, you're going to enjoy life, without motivating yourself, nothing. You cannot go forward. You want to start up a business, you want to start up a YouTube channel, you're growing, you're not growing. The worst thing that can happen to you when trying to motivate yourself is when you compare yourself with others. Yes, others might be progressing better than you, but always be grateful for the level God has kept you. Always be grateful, as in being thankful to God for where you are today. Just be thankful. Don't compare yourself with others. Others might be growing, you're not growing. Just be thankful. Oh no, Igbo, welcome to my live stream. Oh no, welcome, welcome. Oh no, ndị Igbo niile. Oh my God. Hello. How are you doing? Welcome to my live stream. If you're coming in, please do me well to thumbs up the stream for me, okay? We are talking about staying motivated. How do you stay motivated this period of time? I feel self-motivation is the best form of motivation. There are a lot of motivational speakers out there, but motivating yourself first is number one. And we just talked about life, being alive. Be thankful that you are alive. A lot of people are not here. A lot of people want to be here, but they are not here. So just give God the glory that you are alive. Say thank you. Thank you. I'm not among those people that during this NSAS period a lot of things happened. Some people are no longer with us. They started with us, they were strong, and things changed and they are no longer with us. But thank God you are alive. That's number one form of motivation. If you want to motivate yourself, our number 2 point is that you shouldn't compare yourself with others. When you compare yourself with others, you've killed everything. Because you will notice that other people are going higher and you're still where you are. It will not make you to even do what you're not supposed to do. So but when you learn to be grateful for what you have and you don't compare yourself with others, you will always remain motivated. Yes. Then number 3 is for you to set a goal for yourself. Tell yourself, this is what I want to achieve, and then you try to do it every day. You try to do one new thing or the other. Oh no. Thank God for that. Thank God. I'm happy you're doing great. It's like my message comes in late. Maybe my network is poor, I don't know. But let's continue. Then the third form of motivation is for you to look at other people that have done something like this, as in go and check their biography, especially those who started first, not those that are doing, maybe that have gotten help one way or the other from people. Just those doing it the way you're doing it. you look at them, read them up, and you will see that some people are exactly the way you are. Then you can stay motivated. You can stay motivated with that. So if you have any other way people can motivate themselves, just drop it. We are reading, we are following up on everything. I'm going to just stay like latest 30 minutes on this, and I will leave. I think I should be leaving here before 12. So before 12 I should be leaving here at 12. So before 12 I'm ending this stream. Before 12 it's just going to be a short stream where we motivate ourselves, your family. And of recent there are a lot of things flying around in the social media. I saw one video where a woman was being beaten with iron and everything by her husband, and I saw another one. This particular one happened in Nigeria, where the Benue State governor reconciled them. I think a doctor and the husband also. I saw another one of recent again. A lot of things have been flying around social media. Even in our marriage, self motivation is the best. If you don't motivate yourself in your marriage, no one will. No marriage is filled with roses, as in love, love, sweet, sweet, sweet all the time. At one point in time you experience some things, you motivate yourself, you forgive, you move on, and the marriage will become so sweet. So I think I still have two people with me here. So I am about to end the stream very soon. I'm going to end the stream so that it will give me time to go. I just felt I should motivate myself, and I should send the word motivation out a little bit today on my channel. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you do, please don't forget to thumbs up this video for me, okay? Alright guys, take care of yourself. I'll be leaving for work right now. And by tomorrow be expecting my video, my latest video. All right, bye.